Yada Yuan's Fujian base covers an area of 43,000 square meters. We own 666 hectares of bamboo forests, ensuring a steady and diverse supply for market needs. From these premium forests, we carefully select mature bamboo over 4 years old, known for its tough fibers and ideal density, strong quality foundation, outstanding finished products. Selected bamboo goes into auto cutter, cut to same length according to the setup, for uniform later use. Robotica moves bamboo segments to splitter. Multi-blade machine cuts them into same thickness pieces. Uniform bamboo pieces go into shaping machine via mechanical claws. Using high-speed custom blades, the bamboo is simultaneously peeled and cut into thin, flat strips. Bundling shaped threads first, put into dryer and set baking time by initial moisture, keeping water content less than or equal to 12%. The raw bamboo is processed into bamboo sheets of different lengths and thicknesses according to the finished product requirements. These strips are stored using a cross-stacking method, allowing every piece of bamboo to breathe freely. Strips are processed based on product requirements. The bamboo coffee stirrers are cut into different lengths using a cutting machine. The cut stirrers are placed in the semi-finished product storage area, awaiting the next processing step. Next, they move to the polishing stage, where the semi-finished stirrers are precisely fed into the polishing machine to begin fine grinding. Pre-polish, dry polish for 10 minutes to remove rough layers. Fine polish, add food-grade powder and polish for 60 minutes for an even finish. Requirements: smooth, delicate touch with no shine or graininess. No powder residue. Ends must be free of burrs, cracks, or damage. After passing inspection, each stick is packed by an automatic machine, processed into disposable bamboo coffee stirrers ready for immediate use. Finally, the finished products are stored in the warehouse, classified by type and order number for easy management and delivery. Our bamboo coffee stirrers are designed to give you the most convenient and worry-free stirring experience. They work perfectly for coffee, milk tea, juice, oatmeal cups, yogurt, and more. One stick for many uses. Let the natural bamboo scent elevate every stir. Yada Yuan bamboo coffee stirrers maintain strict production processes with multiple grinding steps, including FSC, LFGB, and FDA, ensuring reliable product quality and fully meeting global standards.
Ready to explore more? Visit www.chinaold.com. Join us in making a greener choice.